Okay, yesterday we have finished the footer, right? Coding the footer. Today we are going to code the sidebar and the let's project, if we can finish all. Okay, here is the sidebar. We have our services or our partners. It could be anything, no problem. And also we are going to learn new things, how to do the what they call it, the form, how to code the form. Okay, first of all we are going to implement the code. We can here, yeah, before the footer, because while we do the footer we do one space here after this one. Actually we need the spacing after the footer. Maybe we can take this one, the clear, and we can put it after the here, maybe somewhere here, just to make 10 pixel down. See, yeah, at least we have some spacing here. Okay, so before the footer we have to create the sidebar, which is this one, sidebar. First let us to analyze what do we have in the sidebar. In sidebar, this will be the name of the sidebar, everything, huh? Yeah. Inside the sidebar we have two things. We have two similar things. Here will be class, okay, and here will be different because it will be a bit bigger of that one, okay, and inside this one will be form. So inside this we can say maybe this one surfaces, yeah, or it could be anything, side, anything. And here we can create it, we can name it a send, yeah, I mean the div, the name of the div, we can say here send, and here there is surfaces, or it could be side or sidebar or anything. Okay, let's do it. I mean it's much better when we do it, we understand it more. Okay, we come here, then we say div id, sorry, id, then here will be the name of everything. I mean it will wrap this one, both of them, all, yeah, okay, side bar, then we close it. Okay, then we have to put it like this one. Inside we have two things. One is will be class because we repeat it, and the another one will be div, or we can put it class. If we want to put the Facebook there also, we can make it up. Here we can say also div id, sorry, no, div id, maybe okay, sidebar. Okay, we can say here side. Inside this one, the side, this will wrap everything inside here. We'll take everything here, we can measure everything here, okay, and inside it maybe it could be class, is much better, you know, because we repeat it. Div, sorry, class side. Okay, inside this one we have, what do we have? We have header and we have menu. Yeah, that's it. We only have a header, this one the header, and we have the menu. That's all. We can say here inside you we have h1, sorry, h1, right, and the h1, what do we have? We come back to here, then we take this one, right, then we just paste it here. Okay, we have finished this one. Then we can say also we have the menu, right, ul, right, ul, Okay, in the UL, what do we have? LI, right? LI. Inside the LI, what do we have? A, right? Yeah, then we can say A. Can put hash or something like that. Then, okay, alright. Then we just close it. Okay, now we have to come and count. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, right? Then we come here, we do 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we go to back to the design. Everything from the design. We are not going to take anything from outside. We come back to here. You can just do like this one. Copy and paste. Sorry. Not supposed just to take this one because it's gonna give us too much of space. When you take the exact word, you don't need to have space. See? We take the exact word only. Yeah, here is it. Here is it. Here is it. Similar, we are repeating the same thing. This is not new to us, right? We have done one like it before. And this one, here is it. Okay, alright, we have finished now. Now we have to take this one, the side. Okay, inside this one, the side. Okay, alright. We have the header. We have the sidebar menu. Okay, alright. Or maybe we can just put something like this one. Sorry. Let's try first. How is it going to work? You can take this one, copy, paste. Make sure you don't forget anything. Okay, just take them and go before the footer, also here after the slider, because they are after the slider. Okay, we put the hash, then open and close, or else on this one the same thing, hash, open and close. Then inside the sidebar we can see the width of it, of this one. Yeah, we go back to the image, to our image, right? Because we cut the image, which is this one, right? We can see the width of it, 27. Yeah, 270, right? Then we can measure also here. We can see from here starting until here. Yeah, same, 270, because that one will be the width of it. We want your width to be 270, right? Pixel. Minimum height, we can say the height. If we want to measure the height, we just need to see from here, something like this one, you know, maybe until here. You can say minimum height is 882, right? You can say here your minimum height 882 pixel. This one the minimum height. Oh no, but this one will be for everything side, or we don't need to say anything about the minimum height, just the width of it, because it's automatically we have the picture there. Yeah, and this one also we need it to float to left, right? We need it to be in the left. We have in the right and left, float to left. Okay, inside the side, this one is no class. I mean no ID, is class, right? If we refer to here is class, because we will repeat it. So inside this one, what do we have? We have h1, the title, right? h1, and what do we have also? We have ul, and we have ulli, right? li, and we have lia. Basically it's like that one. So inside this one also we will repeat the same thing. We want this one to be like this and like this one. Okay, so in here also we need the height for this one, because this one it will we are going to specify one of them, only this one. We want your height from here until here. It's better to refer to the image if you have it. Here is the image. We refer to it. 236. We can say the height 236 pixel. Yeah, and also we have to give it the background. The background image, yeah, similar to that one. We can say your background, because the height is exactly the same. You can say, okay, go and take this background. I want only this. No repeat. I don't want it to be repeat. Okay. Then I think that's all. Okay. I think that's all. Let us do test. We see whether it's going to be alright or not. Yeah. I think it is okay, but we have to modify this one. Yeah. Okay. The width is 27. Okay. Alright. Okay, so in here, let me just sorry, actually before the slider we have to clear. Must have space between one and another. We take this one, we can clear between the slider and this one, so that we have at least 10 pixels clear, no together. See? Yeah. Now we have to take one by one. First the background. This one we have to move it a bit here, right? I think we give it a padding of this one, the slider, right? We can say we want you to come back here. Okay, alright. Inside this one, everything will be here. Padding left is equal to 50 pixel. But if you have padding, we have to deduct from here. Okay? Yeah, we have to deduct from here. Or maybe let us first try margin before. Margin. Yeah, it comes. So it comes exactly, because this one we left 50 here. So that one is exactly in its position. Okay, we don't need to, because that one is from outside, not inside it. So margin will be the right one. Now we have to specify these things. How we do? One by one. We take the H1 first, and the H1 we come back to here. We have to see what do we do here in the H1. Okay. H1, what is your attribute? Verdana, the font type, 18 and white. So we say font family Verdana, font size is 18, right? We just go 18, yeah, pixel, and we can say the color is white. Okay, see, is it affected or not? Yes, affected. Okay, all right, we just need it to be here in this one, yeah, and here. So what we need to do, we just need to bring it. We can say padding or margin top or anything. The line height, we can say here, your line height. No, we can say is better to do the margin top. Margin top, I want 20 pixel. Let us try how it's going to work. Yeah, and also I want your margin left 5 pixels only. Yeah, because I don't want too much of, I just wanted to move according to this design. Maybe this one the center, you know, we can center it. Yeah, what I need to do, I guess instead of this one I can say text align, right? Center, yeah, that's it. See, maybe it's going to work. Yeah, that's all. So it is here in the middle, and that one is everything there. Okay, so it's very easy, you know. You are taking one by one and doing one by one. Even though if you have this image separately and this one separately, you can just take one by one. Just understand the concept. How do you how you can manage each item, and how you can play with its attribute in the CSS. Okay, and here we have UL li. We are going to start from here first. This one it shares the same attribute until the white, no, not white here. You can see here, because the type, the font is the same and the size the same, 18. We can say the color is not black. This one is not black. How we can take the color? We just go back and we take the same. Go here. See, it's not black. Yeah, you can take this one. Then hash dot. See, is there, right? Maybe we can just make it 16. It's much better. Okay, because the heading and the items this must be different. Okay, text, maybe here we can see text decoration, none. I don't want the underline, this one, I don't want it. Okay, so we have finished, right? Maybe here in the UL we can say here the image, that one, the what do you call it, the list, style list, I think style list, yeah, list image, because we have the image, that one, right? Then we just type like that one, browser. Where is it? We didn't take it yet, right? The small one. No. What is yeah, this one? What is this? The small one. Then maybe I can bring it from there. You already know how to slice it, right? Yes, I think nothing new to you. I need to take it from mine, from my site, which is this one, right? Then just bring it to here. Then just paste it. Go and take it again. Okay, here is it. I want you also. Okay, see what it's going to be. It's going to be here, right? Okay, I just want to say here I want margin from top first, 10 pixel, because I don't want them to be until here. I want to go down a bit. See, it's going to take everything here. Why? Because it start top from here and it will go here down. So no, this is 10 is not here. Actually, it's supposed to be inside the UL. Yeah, because li we have so many items. We have this one li, this one li. But see, when we change it, it's going to take from up only. Yeah, maybe we can add more. 10 is not enough. We can say 15. Okay, you must know how to solve your own problem. Okay, don't wait for then maybe we can say here margin left 50, maybe we can say, because we want 50 pixel. We want this one to move, all of them to move from left. See, yeah, I think like this one should be all right. And here also, because this one we want to just to move them, like but in this one, in the UL, we want only to move from here up a little bit, not that much. Now we want the spacing between them.
No.
Yeah, in the spacing you just line height. This is the attribute. You can say maybe 28 pixel. Try, then you see. Yeah, 28. I think 25 should be alright. For me, I think 25 should be alright. Or 28, that one also is very nice, see? Yeah, I like this one, should be alright, yeah. Now, I want just to make a little of changes, very nice. I take this color, which is this one. Then I go here. I guess make it here. Then I will come and I will show you. I will take this one. Then I say dot hover. When I hover on that one, yeah, I want the color to be this one. Yeah, I want your color to be this one. See, you see how? Maybe I can make underline also here. Text decoration, underline. See, it's gonna be very nice. See, refresh and see. Yeah, you guess you can play with so many things. Now we have finished this one. Now, if we want to repeat it, you don't need to change anything here in this attribute. What you need to do, you need to go here from class, not sidebar. You guess from the class. Okay, sorry. Just to make it more nicer, then you have to manage it properly so that you know where are you and what do you want to take. Okay, here this is the opening and here is the closing, right? We take this one only from here, then copy, paste and copy. Then you go here, you make space between them. See now? Now is one. Yeah, yeah, so we just need to, whether we use the clear, yeah, or maybe we can go and in here inside the side it itself we can say margin in the side, because the top margin margin bottom or margin, because top will be there, bottom. Let's try 20 pixel. Let's try and we see whether, yeah, because we want here and we want also here. So we have finished this one. See how simple it is. If you have class similar things, it's easy. Do one and repeat. Yeah, and here in this one will be the easy, I think the most easier things here, because we will do one, then we just copy paste. That's all. Okay, all right. And here, is it clear or no?
It's clear.
You want to
It's
practice
clear.
or
It's clear.
shall we stop or to practice, or you want to continue? Okay, all right. Then here the send. We go back to the send. Yeah, here after this one. Yeah, we say def id send. Yeah, this one will take everything all inside the send. We can go inside it. We can say def class. Maybe you can put it as a class. Maybe you want to repeat it again, put Facebook or anything. We can say message, right? Something like that one. What do we have inside it? We have also the same header. We can come back to the design and we see this one. We have the header, right? And we have the form. Nothing more than that. Yeah, we just go here. Sorry. You can say div, oh sorry, h1, right, h1, then closing, opening, close. And here we can take this one, message, come back to the design and take everything from the design. You don't need to worry about it. Now we have to create form. Yeah, inside here we can say here for okay, and closing the form. Close your form. For the attribute of the form, you have to visit the W3 school. Then you will learn a lot about them. What do we have inside the form? We have this one, your name. What is this one? Text, and this one text, and this one is the text area. Yeah, we will simply is like that one. What we need to do, we just say maybe import, right? Import type, yeah. Then we can say text. Then what else? Name. Maybe write your name here. Write your name here. Yeah, something like that one, right? Then what I need to do, we don't need to just copy and paste, nothing. This one here, text, write your email. Then we go down, we can say text area, right? Text area. Then
type text.
No, text area is the value of it, I think. I forget to mention something here, sorry, huh? And here we have the placeholder. So I think also here write your email. Sorry, email. Okay. This one, the placeholder, is the new features in HTML5. Okay. Placeholder means I want inside the placeholder to write this one. Then BR, which is new line. And so this is placeholder. Write your email here. And text area, placeholder. Write your message here. Text area. We should close it. Then we still have one more thing, so which is the import type submit. Yeah, submit, right? Then value
Send.
Then we can say send. The value, whether if we have our own image, do we cut the image or no? We don't have the image, right? Otherwise, if you have the image, you just leave the value is empty. Okay. Now this one is already, I think, finished. See here, if we just go back and refresh, what you are going to see, you are going to see something like this one. Message, write your name here, and this, that. So basically it's like that one. Now we have to style it. Yeah, same things. We go here, but before we have to take this one, send. Okay, and the message also we have to take it. We must know what is class, what is ID. Okay, then we go back, sorry, to here, make space between them. This one is ID, so we must put a slash. Okay, and this one is class dot only. Okay, so inside this one, what we need to do, send, similar to this, fill to left and width, then that's it, similar, because it share the same attribute, right? Okay, if you see, so it bring this one to here, because the image will come here also. Okay, and also we have a message. Inside the message, what do we have? H1, right? Yeah, H1. The title, which is this one. Inside the message we have H1, we have form also. Okay, so what we need to do also in this one, in the message We also have, if you refer to this one, mine, we have here in the form, see, yeah, form header, form, then we have to put this one, yeah, the form. This is the new things you will learn it, yeah. Then this one form, then you put this one, because we have the message and form, and inside the message class we have the form, and import we have the import type text. I want this attribute to be there, this to share attribute to, because we have two, what's it, type, and this one type, right? And also this one is no, this two type only, this type and text, okay? What's sharing the same thing? I want to do the same attribute for them, okay? First, let's ask to do the h1, what is the title. In the h1 we'll take this one, similar, exactly, nothing more. Or let us to start by the message. The message is sharing the same slider. The width, the height is not same, will be different, right? We just take this one until here, okay? Then we come back to here, because we want it in the left also. We want the width of it to be this one, and now we go back, we see the height of it, 374, right? Then we can say height 374 pixel. Okay, after we do this one, well, we need the background. I want your background. Where is the background? Give me your background. This one, here is it. I do no repeat, please. I don't want it to be repeat, okay? And maybe yeah, I think that's all. Let us to test whether it is okay or not. Yeah, so it comes, 50 pixel. We don't want this 50 pixel. We just try to delete this one and come back and see whether it is, because we already specify here inside the class. Inside this one will take everything. They are in the sidebar. All of them, they are inside the sidebar. We cannot do it twice, okay? Sorry, that's my mistake. Then now we have to do one by one. We start by the h1, which is this, right? We take this same attribute, because exactly the same thing. We can say margin top, text align. I think everything will be similar. Yeah, unless if you have different attribute, you have specify in your design different things, then you go and change. See, yeah, I think exactly the same. Now we have to do for this one. Yeah. Then we can go here. We can say maybe in the h1, inside the h1, instead of this one, we can say margin bottom. Margin bottom, we have 20 pixel, because I want this kind of things to go down a bit more. See? Yeah, very simple. It's like you are communicating with the software. Logic is logic things. Okay, now inside this, what is the message, form and import, but type is text only. I want this to take this two only, text and text. Yeah. So what I'm going to do, exactly similar to this website, this my own website. We want the width, the height, padding, margin, and the border. That's all. That's all what we want. We come to the design. We can see the width of this one. This, only this, the width from here to there. You can see here the width and the height. First, you can measure exactly. Okay, 25, 200, 200 to 25. Yeah, you can say the width is 200 to 202, right? Are you sure? 202 pixel, and the height is 25 pixel. Okay, after we specify this one, we come back and we see what else we want. We want the border. Yeah, according to this one, if you see this design, what else we want? The padding. I want padding from everywhere, and also margin. Or this one already we have border. What is this one inside? It has a border, right? Yeah, border. So the border will be one solid, then the color of it. We take the border. You know this color of the border. What we need to do? We just pick this color. Okay. I think it's similar to this one. Okay. We can go and we can see it like this one. Simply, just very simple. I want your border. I want the size of it to be 1 pixel. Then solid. You have dashed, and you know about the type of that one. Okay. Then your color, I want it to be this one. See, they come together, right? Okay. Then I want the padding. I want 5 pixel from everywhere. Okay, from everywhere I want 5 pixel. See, this one come from up, from down, but I have to deduct because 5 pixel from left, 5 pixel from everywhere. So 20 I have to come here and deduct 20. So the total will be 180, right? 182, right? Because anything padding, you have width, you have to deduct. Otherwise, see, it's going to be, see now when we come, it comes to it is normal size. Because padding and size, so it's gonna give extra size. But margin, no. Margin, it's okay, no problem. Okay. So now we want to move it a bit here. What we need to say, we can go maybe inside the message. Yeah, inside the message. See here, what we say. Maybe we can say here margin left, maybe 20 pixel. I want to bring this one here inside. Yeah. Now or otherwise you can say here text align. Let us to try center. No, it's not working well. How about if we go to here, and here we can say text align. Sometimes you have to try, it doesn't work from the first time. See now, yeah, because we go to the inside it is the father of everything. I want everything to be center inside you. Okay, so here is the center. Now I go here, then I will say maybe margin bottom 10 pixel between each one and another. So I want them to be, yeah, see now 10 pixel. Okay, now I have to go to here, this one, and the another one. This one I think they are very fine. Just see when they write their name, this one will disappear, right? And if you come here, it's disappear. If you want to write, but this one, the modern, very nice, very nice. I mean, sometimes even if you design here, you want to change some things, also you can just try it. But also we can write the name here. We just write what do you call it? BR, normal text, and dot and BR between them and the on. That's very simple, But I prefer this kind of design. I love this kind of design, which is the modern design. Okay. Now we specify 2 only. What is this type of text? Type text. Now see here. What we have say here, type of text area. Okay. Yeah, see, but this one is gonna be very normal. What we can see here, we can come to this one. Sorry. Yeah, and we take these. We can say here, what do you call it? Text area. Okay, then we start designing the same thing. We come and we see the width of it, width and height. That's it. Yeah, very simple. Okay, all right. I want the width will be the same. That one. The height will be, maybe we can mode 100. Yeah, the width will be similar to this one. I mean, similar to this, right? Here is the width because they share the same width. Okay, if there is similar attributes, you take them. And the height I want 100 pixel. Okay, see how very simple. And also I will take so many things here. See, I'm gonna take this one, everything of here. I'm gonna take the border because same border which here. The padding I want also the same. Everything will be the same. See, but padding also I have to it's already deduct. Okay, all right. See, why I do padding? Guess please be careful of this one. Yeah, pay attention to this one. Padding from up, down, left and right. I want you to give padding from up and from down and from left and from right, so that the text will be, is not going to the left or going to the right. So from everywhere is just a bit of that. Okay, now finished. We have finished. If we go back and we see this one also, type of text, and both type text, we take this one. Just what we need to do, take this one, because okay, this one type text and this one type submit, right? Then we open this. See, even the curly brackets is different because this one is type of submit. So we have to specify what we want. I do want the border first. First we have to see the width and the height. We have to see this one, width and height of everything. Maybe we can say 30 and 110. Width is 110, right? 110 pixel. And the height, how much we see? 30 pixel. See? Yeah. And also the color, we want it, this is the color because it's black. It is color, you can see here is the color of the font. Okay, how we can change the background? Maybe you can say the background color. Okay, we can put this one, the background color, sorry, and here we can put the white, if the white 3F, right? Yeah, see, but we still have here border. How we can get rid of this border? We need to go here, we see a border, then we give value 0. I don't want border. See what was the difference? Now we have it. Yeah, now maybe we can say margin top. I want how much we give that one? 20 pixel. Sorry, 20 pixel. Let us see, it must be similar to that one. Yeah, maybe 10 pixel, not 20, or 15 pixel should be alright. 15. Now I want it to be like this one, rounded. This one they call it, this is new things in CSS3, right? They call it border radius. Yeah, this is border radius. I want 10 pixel from everywhere. Sorry, 10 pixel. So 10 pixel will be this one from left. Then this 10 pixel, this 10 pixel, this 10 pixel. from everywhere. I want 10 pixels. See how we can see whether it is okay or we take 5. Yeah, see.
Yeah.
This is new things, you know. You don't need to design this and come back, and yeah, you can do it. And also here the text align. You can see here center. Yeah, so it's gonna be in the center. And also we can take the font type, and this one we can also specify the font type here. We go and take this one. Also the color, we already see the color is white, right? Then we come here where we are here, right? We just go with this one, font family and the font size. Try and see. Is this going to be, yeah, same. Yeah. So maybe the things here is no, the text
Is aligned.
Text align is already center. It's not going to be like that one. Maybe we can do the margin, then you can bring it a bit. You can use the visual. Yeah, use this one. I mean, try to be very, what do you call it, very careful. Yeah, so then you can say maybe margin, or we're supposed to write this one in the H.
It's
Watch.
on here.
Yeah, I mean in the submit. Yeah, but it's okay. Until now, I think it is very fine. So that's as simple as this one. Okay, I think until here, then we will continue after a few minutes.